Today, we will observe market structure in close action and talk about how to trade weak or strong markets. We will discover how to find entry locations with our best trading view indicator. Furthermore, we will also learn how to make entries or use other methods to catch trades. If you are good to go, it is time to start now. Let's have a look at this interesting chart and reverse engineer it in a 15-minute time frame. Why is reverse engineering extremely important to understand the price action and smart money concepts? You will see it in this video. As you can see, price hunted the PDL, the previous day low level. My first question is to you. Why did it hunt it? How did this happen? Let's first try to understand the engineering behind it. Okay, let's look at this imbalance. This is a specific imbalance out of many other imbalances that truly push the price to hunt the PDL level below. So our first question answered this. PDL hunted because this imbalance pushed it. Now this brings us to another question. Why this imbalance? What is the importance of this specific imbalance out of so many other, maybe 100 other imbalances that you can see in this chart alone? If you carefully look at the chart closely, you will notice how the inner trend is broken with a market structure break. If you look at the high and low points of the inner time frame structure and how did it change? So this clears up the second question as well. That imbalance, that specific imbalance created by this inner trend market structure change, which caused the push towards the PDL, the previous day low hunt. You see how everything makes sense slowly and you can get the engineering behind it. Let's look at other stuffs as well. And you will notice there is another imbalance here. At this location happened. And you might ask again, why is imbalance also important? Which you will see from the higher time frames later on. Another further point is the look at the SR flip, the support and resistance flip. How the once a support area turns into a resistance area where all the price action happened. Do you think this is a coincidence or just luck? I think you can see how clear everything become now with the reverse engineering. So before we move on to the higher time frames and continue reverse engineering, let's understand everything in a clearer structure. So all this happens in an area of a big imbalance area from higher time frames at a support and resistance flip location. The rest is actually a classic price action. Just the inner trend change, a little pull back towards the imbalance and push towards the previous day low. Everything is so clear and makes sense now, right? You solved the big mystery and engineering behind every smart money concepts and price action. Now it is time for the big question. Where did all this action happen and how did it happen? If you look at the higher time frames, like hourly time frames or 45 minutes, 30-minute time frames, you will notice something very interesting. All those price action we just observed in the lower time frames happened in an area of multi-imbalance location. Now do you understand how we reverse engineered every single thing, starting from a very small stuff like hunting a previous day low, the PDL, towards up to the higher time frames and multi-imbalance locations. Now this is the power of the price action and smart money concepts if you truly understand and how to use them. And actually not everything happens by coincidence or luck. Okay friends, another great lesson ends here. Please stay safe and sound. Be ready for the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.